In primetime news this evening, back online, several students resort to remote learning as schools report COVID-19 outbreak. From farmlands to prison, where does this leave scores of farmers from heartlands in St. Catherine? And later, economists weigh in on recent industrial action by public sector workers.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening we have the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before all that, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, which national COVID containment measures should be re-implemented given the recent spike in cases? And please give reasons for your answer. You can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet at TelevisionJam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.